Okay, like this, we can get the information from this group file. Okay. Sir, okay, understood very well. Okay. But as of now, just create a, I'll show you, no, hands-on. Just create a group. Afterwards, we'll check each and everything, no problem. So to create a group and to work with the Linux, go with something called AWS only, right? AWS, go to AWS and create a Linux server. That's all. Login Linux server. So create a group, sir. Uh, who creates this group, sir? Yes, you can also create a group. Suppose if you have a access, otherwise, no, it is not possible. Suppose see as a something called Venkatesh user. If you have this kind of access facility, yes, you can create a group also. Yes, group also, yes. But if you have a permission, you can. Otherwise, no, it is not possible to create a groups. That's all. So to create a groups, we always go with something called root user. Oh, or we can also sudo user. Yes, sudo user. Sudo user in sense Venkatesh is a sudo user only. That's all. Sir, what about EC2 user, sir? EC2 hyphen user. Yes, is also default user, which contains something called 100%, I know, 100% access without any restriction. Is a default sudo user. Default sudo user. Okay. Now, each and every one can create any group, but if you have a permission or access. But by default, EC2 user is having that much access. Simple. EC2 user can create a users. Yes. EC2 user can create a groups. Yes. EC2 user can make a partitions. Yes. Because EC2 user is the default user. Okay, the Linux has given 100% access with some restrictions. That's all, restrictions. Same like as a root user only, but is having some restrictions. That's all. Variation is available. But why we are, going with Venkatesh user, sir? Yes, of course, you are a project resource. That's why as a Venkatesh user is login always and creating some other groups or users, whatever it is doing some other work for our project. That's why I have given access to Mr. Venkatesh so that Venkatesh is doing our project. That's all. Inside our projects, Venkatesh is creating users. Inside our project, Venkatesh is creating groups. Inside our project, yes, he is doing so many things. That's why I'm providing access to Mr. Venkatesh. That's all. So how to provide a group ad access to Mr. Venkatesh, you know very well. No problem. Group ad access, yes, you can provide a group ad access also, Mr. Venkatesh. But as of now, just as a root user, we create a groups. Afterwards, we'll see the Venkatesh user and everything. Right. Now go to this place, Ross. Go to this place. So step by step, we'll understand step by step, no problem. Tomorrow also, we will have a session, the same topic, no problem. We'll understand step by step. Okay, this is what our AWS console. Just go to this console. Afterwards, type EC2, EC2, EC2. That's all. Sir, what is EC2? ETC is one of the major service in AWS cloud, which is used to create a servers. Not only creating the servers, we have so many advantages for EC2. We'll discuss in a cloud computing classes, not in a Linux classes. This is what, for our understanding purpose, just creating the servers, and after creating the servers, log into the server and access the server only. That's all. Dashboard. Okay, we don't have any servers right now. Just create a servers, friends. So this is very, very important for a DevOps class. Okay. Always, whatever the things which are available inside a Linux administration course, all are important for DevOps. Okay. All are important for DevOps. Okay. Right. Now just create a ABC Bank server. Just for your understanding, I am specifying ABC Bank server, but in a real time, not like that. They will provide you server name and everything. But this is nothing but a cloud engineer responsibility, not your responsibility. Okay. Cloud engineer responsibility. The cloud engineer create a servers, right? Afterwards, launch instance. So go to Putty, select profile and just select instances. Oh, two servers are running. Okay. Okay, right. This is my server IP address. So EC2 user has given by Linux boss, not by you. EC2 user has given by Linux, not by you. Okay. By default, EC2 has a user given by Linux only. Public IP address, putty tool, load, SSH credentials, ABC Bank server password. That's open, open. EC2 hyphen user. So as a EC2 user, we can do any kind of things, but as of now, we are switching from EC to sudo. How to switch from CC to sudo? Sudo hyphen I, that's all. Press enter button. Root user. Okay. Afterwards, as a root user, can I create a group, sir? Yes, you can. How to create a groups? Just simple. GROUP add, group add, something called project one. Let's say project one is my group name. Is my group name. Something called project one is my group name. Press enter button. Okay. Group add project two. This is my group name two. That's all. Sir, how can I check the group details? Simple. I'll explain you. I'll explain very well. Simple called tail etc group. Tail etc group. Press enter button. That's all. Oh, that many groups are available inside my group. There are so many groups are available, boss. There are so many groups all available that you can also use cat etc group. Cat etc group. Press enter button. Okay, okay. So cat etc press enter button. Sir, we have only two group. We created only two groups. But what about something called Venkatesh Venki EC2 user groups? What is this nonsense, sir? We created only project one group and project two group only. But what about remaining groups? Other groups? Okay, we'll discuss, no problem. Okay. Afterwards, we use get ent